there, fellow content creators and entrepreneurs. Welcome back to Simplified E-Biz, where we're always on the cutting edge of innovation in the digital world. Today, I've got something truly game changing to share with you. Have you ever found yourself struggling to repurpose your long form content into short, snappy clips for platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts? Well, fret no more because I've got the solution for you. So go to your Google and type in Vizard AI. This is what you're going to see. You have to sign in with your Google account. I've signed in previously, that's why it's showing like this. Then it will tell you how many minutes you've consumed on the bottom left. 300 is the maximum for the free account, and it will tell you when it's going to reset. Feel free to explore the page. You can upload from a link, you can upload from your local drive, you can even record a video, you can import from your previous Zoom. And there's also tutorials here from how to auto-generate video clips with Vizard, how to edit video by text in Vizard, how to create long-form video in Vizard, how to translate video with Vizard, how to change video layout in Vizard, how to use scene in Vizard, how to screen record with Vizard, how to add subtitles, highlight, adjust layer, how to import zoom, so everything is there. You can learn there. And if you have created previous projects, it will tell you this on the bottom, and it will tell you when it will expire. Okay, so let's start by creating a project. Import from link, so any of your previous videos that you've created and pasted or uploaded online, just upload this and put it here on the bottom. By the way, the suitable content for this is chatcasts, educational videos, commentaries, interviews, speeches. So it will tell you what is not suitable for Vizard AI. Okay, let's try. Let me just get this one and paste it here. Click continue. So there are different languages that you can choose from. I'll just choose English. And you have 5 clip lengths there, auto, like less than 30 seconds, 30 to 60, 60 to 90, 90 to 3 minutes. Okay, I'll just choose this one and click next. And you have to wait for it. So it's done generating 25 clips found in the video that I uploaded earlier, and it's ready for export. So let's say the first one here, you want to edit the title, just click on this 3 ellipses, rename it. You can even duplicate it or delete it. Then the transcript, you may also edit it. You can click on edit. Okay, so you may remove the silences and the highlights there. You have a walkthrough here that you can see. You just have to follow that one according to your needs. You can also, this is for the transcript that you edit on the left side, and subtitles, you can add the subtitles. Even you can choose the templates that best suits your needs. You can add some media. You can add text, modify the fonts. You have an option to change the background, and you can even add your brand, your logo, in your outro for your video. And once you're all satisfied with that, click on export. If you want to upgrade your plan, so this is for the monthly, $30 per month for the creator and $60 per. And these are the features. Of course, longer minutes. There's no watermark. The feature free one has watermark. And if you want the yearly, it will save you 47%, $16 per month for the yearly, and $32 per month for Pro. What are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to try out Vizard AI for yourself and revolutionize your content creation game today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tips, tricks, and tools to elevate your digital presence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care always.